Formal greetings.
Salutation formelle.
Good morning, Josh. How are you?
Bonjour Josh. Comment vous est?
Good morning, Josh. How are you?
Bonjour Josh. Comment vous est?
I'm pretty good. Thank you.
Moi très bien. Merci.
I'm pretty good. Thank you.
Moi très bien. Merci.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Gordon. How are you doing today?
Bonsoir Madame Gordon. Comment vous est aujourd'hui?
Good afternoon, Mrs. Gordon. How are you doing today?
Bonsoir Madame Gordon. Comment vous est aujourd'hui?
I'm a bit tired, but I'm fine.
Moi yon ti jan fatigué, mais moi bien.
I'm a bit tired, but I'm fine.
Moi yon ti jan fatigué, mais moi bien.
Good evening, Mr. Reagan. How was your day?
Bonsoir Monsieur Reagan. Comment journée an te ye pour vous?
Good evening, Mr. Reagan. How was your day?
Bonsoir Monsieur Reagan. Comment journée an te ye pour vous?
I had a fantastic day. Thank you.
Moi te passe yon journée fantastique. Merci.
I had a fantastic day. Thank you.
Moi te passe yon journée fantastique. Merci.
Good night, honey. Sleep well.
Bonne nuit chérie. Dormis bien.
Good night, honey. Sleep well.
Bonne nuit chérie. Dormis bien.
Have a good night, darling. Sweet dreams.
Passe yon bonne nuit chérie. Fais bon rêve.
Have a good night, darling. Sweet dreams.
Passe yon bonne nuit chérie. Fais bon rêve.
Hello, have we met?
Bonjour. Nous rencontrés déjà? Nous déjà fait connaissance? Nous reconnaître nous yon lot?
Hello, have we met?
Bonjour. Nous rencontrés déjà? Nous déjà fait connaissance? Nous reconnaître nous yon lot?
No, we haven't met before. I am Matt.
Non, nous poko fait connaissance. Moi c'est Matt.
No, we haven't met before. I am Matt.
Non, nous poko fait connaissance. Moi c'est Matt.
Well, I am Jode. Nice meeting you, Matt.
Eh bien, moi c'est Jode. Moi content reconnaître ou, Matt.
Well, I am Jode. Nice meeting you, Matt.
Eh bien, moi c'est Jode. Moi content reconnaître ou, Matt.
I'm glad to meet you too, Jode.
Moi content reconnaître ou aussi, Jode.
I'm glad to meet you too, Jode.
Mwen kontan rekonet ou osi, Jode.
Hello, Julie. Where have you been?
Bonjour, Julie. Ki kote ou te ye?
Hello, Julie. Where have you been?
Bonjour, Julie. Ki kote ou te ye?
I've been very busy.
Mwen te tre okipe.
I've been very busy.
Mwen te tre okipe.
We haven't seen each other in a while.
Sa fe lontan depi nou pa we.
We haven't seen each other in a while.
Sa fe lontan depi nou pa we.
Yes. It's really been a long time.
Oui, sa fe vreman lontan.
Yes. It's really been a long time.
Oui, sa fe vreman lontan.
I'm happy to see you.
Mwen kontan we ou.
I'm happy to see you.
Mwen kontan we ou.
Good afternoon, Liz. How was school?
Bonsoir, Liz. Koman l'ekol la te ye?
Good afternoon, Liz. How was school?
Bonsoir, Liz. Koman l'ekol la te ye?
It was great. How about you? How was work today?
Li te super. E pou ou mem? Koman travay la te ye jodi ya?
It was great. How about you? How was work today?
Li te super. E pou ou mem? Koman travay la te ye jodi ya?
I had a great day at work, thanks. It was nice talking to you. Have a good evening.
Mwen te pase yon bon jounen nan travay la. Merci. Mwen te kontan pale ave ou. Pase yon bon soare.
I had a great day at work, thanks. It was nice talking to you. Have a good evening.
Mwen te pase yon bon jounen nan travay la. Merci. Mwen te kontan pale ave ou. Pase yon bon soare.